I can only give as much as you're willing to take. I could burn down the church and build a statue in its place. My house of worship, your name in cursive. I'll chain myself to its base. And all other ways you feel so ashamed for how you look and who you fuck, that you can't seem to shake. All other ways that you say my name, touching myself thinking that I won't catch you saying it again. Saying it again. All I know is that if all I had to offer was to suffer in your place, I'll bury myself the same day. Hey.